Hello YouTubers, entrepreneurs, future millionaires, multi-millionaires, anybody that's watching. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Ali Obeid, and I just wanted to do a short video, see how you guys are doing with the quarantine, and I hope you guys are starting to think about starting your online business, because as we all can see right now, 9 to 5 is not a secure place to be anymore. And you always want to make sure you supplement your income and try to find other avenues to generate revenue. I'm going to be putting a couple links in the description if you guys are interested in starting your online business. It's very inexpensive programs, and we're talking like 20, 30 bucks, maybe 10 bucks. I'm going to put like 2 or 3 of them at the bottom of the video, so you guys check the link in the description, click on it and get started. My battery is running low, so I'm going to cut this video really short. Starting an online business is not an easy thing to do, but things are getting better and better. There's a lot of vendors out there that are putting out a product that really makes things